Hello and welcome to the April Hotfix 2017 Release Enablement session. I'm Andres Avalos, Offering Manager for the IBM Tealeaf Customer Experience on-cloud product, also known as Tealeaf SaaS. In today's session, we're going to provide a quick overview and demo of this month's new features. This release, we're introducing a new and enhanced way to view session data within Tealeaf SaaS called Consolidated Session UI. The Consolidated Session UI feature enables users to engage with three distinct elements of a visitor's session from a single user interface. This new UI streamlines how users work with visitor sessions by providing a single user interface from which users can replay sessions, view and work with the session timeline, and view and work with the raw data panel. Essentially, it employs the concept of views to combine the current three user interfaces, session timeline, replay, and the raw data panel, into one single display. How it works. The org admin now has the capability to enable Consolidated Session UI to the organization's user base. The org admin begins by logging into Tealeaf. From there, he or she will navigate to the Users tab and edit each user's access. As you can see, the Consolidated UI toggle is by default set to off. Simply click on the toggle to switch it from off to on. For now, this will have to be done for each user individually, but we will be providing a way to turn this feature on at the global level. If the user does not wish to utilize this new view, you can simply toggle the switch back to off, and the traditional view will be available again. I'm now going to pass it off to Brian Wolnick so he can demonstrate this new feature.
Andreas, thank you for the introduction. Again, my name is Brian Wolnick. Today I will walk you through the Consolidated Session UI feature that Andreas just introduced. So let me reiterate, at this point, to view the Consolidated Session UI, it is configured at the user level within the admin console. So here we can see the option for the updated session UI. I can toggle it on and off. On if I want to work with the new design and see how it changes over time based on customer feedback, or off, I am used to analyzing data in the session timeline and replay using the traditional design. To access the Consolidated Session UI, navigate to Replay as you normally would. So for example, from Session Search, I will enter my search criteria. A list of visitors are displayed. I will select the replay icon for any of these sessions. The Consolidated Session UI is displayed. The new UI introduces a streamlined approach to viewing data in the session timeline and in replay. Whereas in previous versions, we were forced to go back to the timeline to view the complete list of JSON interactions, now we can easily switch between these tabs and locate the data or interaction we are looking for. So here the session timeline remains unchanged. Screens that a visitor viewed are displayed in chronological order. The interactions that occurred while on those screen views are listed under each URL. So here the replay interface groups interactions such as clicks, changes, and value changes under each representative screen view. The time spent on each screen view is now displayed under that URL. And replaying a session is as easy as just selecting an interaction or screen view on the navigation pane. The last tab, the Raw Data tab, now displays the visitor JSON and response data in a more readable format. When you select the Raw Data panel, choose a specific screen view and click the drop-down icon to view the interactions that occurred. Select an interaction to view the representative data. The Raw Data panel contains a list of the complete list of JSON interactions that occurred, along with the DOM or response data to indicate how the application or website changed in relation to visitor behavior or struggle. The second screen view that was viewed in this session was the logon form for a desktop website. But how many visitors actually click on the sign on button? To build an event to track the frequency of sign on attempts, I would first visually identify that interaction in replay. with the new consolidated session UI, I can easily go back and forth between the raw data panel and replay to understand how the visitor was navigating my website and easily locate the representative information in the raw data panel. Near the end of the login form page, the visitor registers a click interaction on the Sign In button. This is the start of the information I need to create an event to populate a report. Right-click to select Create an Event and enter the event manager. Remember, the consolidated session UI introduces a new streamlined approach to viewing visitor data for your mobile applications and websites. Continue to provide feedback on the new design so we can incorporate your input as this design evolves. As always, we appreciate your feedback on the product design as well as how these enablement videos are recorded and posted. Please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you, and we'll see you at the next release.